All right, we're going to be doing the navicular drop test for the ankle. This test is just used to measure the amount of drop the navicular does in full weight bearing. Could be a sign for an orthotic. So what are we going to do? Patient will be standing. This test also requires the use of a pen. It's a paper that I always carry around in my pocket. So what we're going to do, we're going to find subtalar neutral to start with. So we're going to palpate this talus. Remember the two little bumps for the talus need to be about equally pressure on your skin. That didn't make sense. And then the navicular, of course, is the medial prominence right here. So what we do, we take our paper, we make a mark where we are in subtalar neutral. And then I instruct Steve to put all of his weight onto his foot. And we put the paper back. Find that navicular again. And then we measure the difference between the marks. We're looking for about 3 to 10 millimeters of displacement. If not under over, we might need an orthotic for our patient.